You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English. Yes, I know they are confusing. They come from French, hence why I can explain it quite well and why it's confusing. The top word is pronounced prestige. It comes from French prestige. Prestige in English. Prestige. You stress on the tige syllable. Now, in French, the G is pronounced je, like ZH. Prestige, alright? It's easy. Prestige. That's how you say it. So sorry for this. Now, the corresponding related adjective is pronounced as prestigious. Prestigious. This time you go with a j sound, not a j sound. It's not prestigious. I mean, it would make sense because it's prestige. It would be prestigious, but it's not prestigious. It's prestigious. That's in English. So, prestige and prestigious. Did you get this? Can you pronounce now those correctly? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.